Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Canuel, and this is my April CEO message to you. I apologize, my glasses tinted over and I wanted to be outside. Beautiful spring day at last, and I'm planning on enjoying it to the max. Just to give you a quick update on a few things happening inside Learn, we have a great innovation wellness workshop that's going on this Friday inside our offices now on Garand in Laval. Our tutorial program has been such a success that we're fully booked now right till the end of the year. We have a new group exam review session that's starting up in May, but I'm so excited about the fact that our community response to these particular resources and services have just been so well accepted. The same goes for participation from our educators at the workshops given by our pet services team at ACOPS recently. It's been just a phenomenal, and this week we have the AQEFLS conference that's going on, and we're participating and supporting that. So lots and lots happening. I wanted to talk to you about something that's really in the news a lot these days, and that's the question of equity, diversity, and inclusion. And I wanted to talk to you about the importance of promoting it. Diversity and inclusion are essential for creating a welcoming and supportive learning environment where all students feel valued and respected. By promoting diversity and inclusion in our classrooms, we're not only helping our students succeed academically, but we're also preparing them for a success in a diverse and interconnected world. Why is this important, you may ask? Well, first of all, promoting diversity and inclusion helps to foster a sense of belonging among students. When students feel like they belong in the classroom, they're more likely to be engaged, motivated, and successful, and we know how important that is. Secondly, promoting diversity and inclusion helps to reduce prejudice and discrimination. There's no shortage of that in our society, unfortunately. When students learn about different cultures, backgrounds, and experiences, they're better able to understand and appreciate all of the differences and to negotiate these cultural differences. So how can we promote diversity and inclusion in the classroom? One approach to use inclusive teaching practices, such as using diverse examples and case studies in class, and creating opportunities for student-led discussions on the topic, and then promoting accommodations for students with disabilities. All these things I'm sure we're all familiar with, but it's good to have a little reminder once in a while. Another approach is to create a safe and welcoming learning environment where students all feel valued and respected, regardless of their orientation, their religion, their race, whatever it may be. We have to really create that environment. Teachers can do this by actively addressing bias and discrimination, creating opportunities for students to share their experiences and perspectives, and incorporating cultural celebrations and events into the curriculum. So this is something that can be done proactively. We don't have to wait till we have problems. We can get out there and start working on it. Finally, teachers can work to build teacher relationships and partnerships with families and communities to promote diversity and inclusion. By involving families and community members in the learning process, teachers can create a more collaborative and inclusive learning environment. For more on that, you can reach out to our PRT, headed by Debbie Horrocks, and they can help you there. Finally, I just want to mention that promoting diversity and inclusion in the classroom is essential for creating a supportive and welcoming learning environment where all students can thrive. That's critical. By embracing diversity and then promoting inclusion, we're not only helping our students succeed academically, but we're also preparing them for success in a diverse world. It's not the way it used to be. We have people from all over the world entering our country. Last year, Canada's population increased by over 1 million people, mostly from other countries, other worlds, different nationalities, different religions, different ways of seeing things. It's what makes our country so beautiful and wonderful, that we are so inclusive. So let's work it into our curriculum. Let's see what we can do to make sure that we can continue in this vein, and that we can be proud Canadians. That's it for now. I wish you all a great month. I'll see you in the month of May, when it'll be just that much sunnier and hopefully even warmer. It's warm now, but maybe it'll be a little warmer in May. Bye now.